Hello, my name is Sam Thompson and I'm speaking to you from the Colegio Internacional in Alicante, España. I've been here now for 2 weeks studying Spanish and at the level C1. I have found the school, the teachers and the homestay to be first class. I've enjoyed the entire experience and in fact wish that I had enlisted for a longer period than 2 weeks here. But it gives me the excuse or the opportunity to return next year and study some more here. I have to say that I would recommend this school to all for the intensity and the friendliness as well of the teachers, the professors, and I've learned a good deal and will carry some memories now with me for the rest of my life.
En español, por favor.
En español. Estoy muy feliz para estar aquí en Alicante para estudiar español en Colegio Internacional. Me gusta mucho la situación aquí y los profesores son muy amables y la estructura, la oportunidad para aprender nuevas palabras, frases y gramática perfectamente para mi nivel. Le recomiendo esta escuela para todos.
Gracias, Sam.